So people, in this video, let us look at what Enterobacteriaceae is. Okay, it is nothing but a family. You already saw the word, I had typed it, family. That means what? It has so many members in it, right? So entero means what? Intestine. And Bacteriaceae is bacteria, right? Bacteria is bacteria. Bacteriaceae, all this means family. Okay, some bigger group. So this is a family of bacteria which are mostly related to your intestine, but they are not always going to be there. They're going to spread and cause all kinds of problems for you in the whole body. So you have so far understood what? You are in this video to understand mostly this family of bacteria, Enterobacteriaceae. Okay. So let's get back to our slide here. So why are they called like this? So Enterobacteriaceae. So look at this. They have a natural habitat of your intestine. So they live in your intestine. So you can say small intestine, large intestine. Large intestine is also called as colon. So coliform bacilli. Bacilli means what? They'll be like this, right? Bacilli. So something like this. And what and all, they naturally live here. But if they go elsewhere, what will happen? They'll become pathogens. So like E. coli, Klebsiella, Proteus. Remember these three. E. coli, Klebsiella, Proteus. This much you can remember. Okay. Now these are all living naturally in your intestine. Touch your intestine. Can you feel the bacteria? Bacilli? Yeah, see. You can feel them. They are living there. No, you can't feel them, but yeah. So then exceptions are there that some of them are not natural. They are pathogens, enteric pathogens. They are like Shigella salmonella. Shigella and salmonella, they are red color. You see here, if they come here, that means they are not in their natural habitat. They will cause disease for you. Shigella, diarrhea, it will cause bloody diarrhea. Salmonella will cause typhoid, paratyphoid, right? So that is why they are all under this family Enterobacteriaceae. So there is an important classification, guys, that you can try to know. That is the Ewing's classification. What classification? Ewing's classification. He has a wing, Ewing classification for family of Enterobacteriaceae. Okay. So shall we look at this classification? So basically, under families, you have what? Under families, you'll have tribes. Okay. Yeah. There are so many types of classification. Now under families, you have tribes. Take a deep breath. Okay, so what tribes? How many tribes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tribes are there. And let us look at these tribes. You have Escherichia, Edward, Salmonella, Citrobacter, Klebsiella, Proteus, Yersinia, Irwin. Irwin is under Irving. So finally he won. The wing guy finally won. Okay. So that is why Ewing at the end became Erwin. Now what and all do you have here? You have E. coli, Shigella, both come under Escherichia. It's all this AE, EAE and all that. Okay. And then you have Edward, Salmonella, Citrobacter, Klebsiella on under their own tribes. Proteus, Yersinia, Erwin. Okay. Yersinia causes, example, Yersinia pestis, etc. causes, it's a cause of plague. Forget about the other things that it causes, but it's very famous for plague, right? Okay. So you have learned now what? Ewing's classification of Enterobacteriaceae. Excellent. Okay. Now, do you look at the general characteristics of this? They are gram negative. Yes, we can see here. So pinky pink, gram negative they are. And they are aerobes. They need oxygen, and facultative anaerobes. They can become anaerobes. Okay. That is, they can live without oxygen also. They can grow easily on ordinary media. They ferment glucose and produce acid. They convert nitrate to nitrite. So much of microbiology here. They produce catalase. They do not produce oxidase. They produce what? Catalase. They do not produce oxidase. And they are generally motile. You can see so much flagella they have here. They have flagella all over their body. So it is called as peritrichous flagella. So most of them are motile. So they will keep going here and there in your body. Be careful. And some of them which are not motile, Shigella and Klebsiella. So now one thing I'm happy is Shigella is a pathogen, and if it is non-motile, isn't it good for us? I want to draw a smiley because Shigella is non-motile. I'm a little happy about it. What do you say? Okay, so this is all about Enterobacteriaceae.